Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so I am here reading Psycho Cybernetics, okay, by Maxwell Maltz. Okay. And one of the things that I noticed was I had brought this book. I don't know if it was it a year ago? I don't know. But anywho, I remember hearing a few successful people talk about this book and how good it was, right? So as I'm reading it, okay, I have to stop and search words and look the definitions up. And one of the things that I noticed within myself was I would put off this book. Like I reread the first few pages that I read already, but I'll put it off. And so today, what I did was, right, because remember, the subconscious mind doesn't know fantasy from reality. So what I did was I wrote at the top. Now, the first few pages is really, really good, okay, of psycho cybernetics. But then it starts talking about the brain and everything like that, like, about scientists and, you know. So what I did was I said, you know what, Dina, you read in this book, okay? Instead of you reading, your lovely book. I know you love it. I know you like to read it. I know you like this book, okay? The Prosperity Bible. I know you like this book, but come on, we're going to do something different today. We're going to read Psycho Cybernetics. Because one of the things that I had set out for myself is to read 4 chapters of a book every day. Okay, now it could be 2 chapters of Psycho Cybernetics. It could be 2 chapters of Prosperity Bible. And it may be, maybe 5 chapters today. Okay, because The Power of the Subconscious Mind is by far my favorite read. Okay, so when you see that things are showing up, right, ask yourself, this is the best way that you're going to start changing the things that you do. You have to be aware of it, okay? And you have to observe it. Like, why do you feel this way? Like, why do you put off that book? Or why do you put off your goals? Or why do you not want to write your goals down? Oftentimes it's because of your paradigm. It's because of the programming. Okay. So instead of me this morning, what I normally do is first thing wake up, I read I listen to no first thing I wake up, use the bathroom, I meditate for 15 minutes, okay? And then I listen to Bob Proctor every morning, Paradigm Shift every morning. I listen to him, okay? And then from there, I tend to write my goals down. But instead, today, what I did, I said, you know what? You listen to Bob Proctor as soon as you wake up. After you meditate, okay? And then after that, you're reading the Psycho Cybernetics. You're reading it, okay? Honey, you gotta tell yourself this, okay? You're reading it, all right? And so here I am reading it, and I got one more chapter to go, okay? So you're making progress. It's not about you eating the whole goddamn elephant at one time, okay? You're trying to eat the whole elephant at one time, okay? It's about you taking little bites, because it's about the little bites that is going to have you succeed, okay? And with that being said, I love you guys. Peace.